How to recall an email in Outlook app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about the email recall feature in Outlook. Especially, we will discuss if you can recall an email using the Outlook mobile app. So let's just dive right into the video. So if you've accidentally sent an email and wanted to recall it, whether it was a mistake or something you wanted to edit, Outlook has a feature for that. But here's the thing, while this feature works great on the Outlook desktop app, it is not available on the Outlook mobile app. So unfortunately, if you're looking for the Outlook mobile app, there's no way to recall or unsend an email once it has been sent. The recall feature is limited to the Outlook desktop app, and even then, it only works in specific situations like when you both and the recipient are using Microsoft Exchange or Microsoft 365 accounts. So what can you do if you have sent an email by mistake in the mobile app? Well, since you can't recall it, the best thing you can do is either send up a follow-up email and simply apologize for the mistake. For that, you can go ahead and compose a new email. To summarize, while the Outlook mobile app does not support the email recall, you can still use the Outlook desktop app to recall emails, but it has some limitations too. So always double check before you hit send, and therefore I hope this video helped clear up any kind of confusion. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks, and let me know in the comments if you have any other questions. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.